Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to go over my 5 top investing strategies for beginner investors. I hope this video will help you avoid the common mistakes that a lot of beginner investors make, and I hope it helps you find success in your investing. Okay, let's start. My first piece of advice for anyone getting started in investing or wanting to get more active in their investing is to educate themselves as much as possible. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, and educate yourself. You can't rely on others like those on social media or on YouTube. No, but seriously, do your own research and never blindly follow anyone into any kind of investment. I see so many people online pitching like random stocks, penny stocks, and they have tons of followers, and I just cringe. You need to know what you're investing in, people. You need to know what you're investing in. Even with your bank, you need to know what you're investing in. A lot of people go to their banks and ask them for financial advice, what should they invest in, and their banks just sell them their own product. And that's fine and all, but a lot of people just blindly follow their bank's advice too, without ever knowing exactly what they're investing in. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, and educate yourself as much as possible. That's my first tip. My second piece of advice is to start investing in some sort of diversified funds. I know I just knocked banks and their mutual funds, but I'll go over the differences of mutual funds and ETFs in another video, but I do think funds are a great way to start. A lot of beginner investors get really excited about the idea of picking different stocks and companies, and that's fair and all, but building a portfolio on specific stocks is going to be a lot harder and take a lot more time than building a portfolio based on funds. I'll go over the pros and cons of stocks and funds in another video, but in this video I just want to say don't shy away from investing in funds despite them seeming more boring. The thing is, it comes down to knowing what you're investing in, right? My first tip. If there are specific stocks and companies that you want in your portfolio, then you should be able to find them in some sort of fund, either through a mutual fund, through your bank, or through an ETF, an exchange traded fund. For example, investing in a fund like SPY, which follows the S&P 500, the top 500 stocks in the US, will allow you to invest in the top 500 stocks in the US in one fund. SPY is currently trading at just under $400 right now, so that is how much it takes to buy one share, and buying one share means that you're investing in top companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, Facebook, Netflix, and many others. Not bad. My third tip for beginner investors is a 2-in-1. It's ABI and DCA. ABI is like the ABCs of selling, always be closing, except for it's ABI. Always be investing. Always be investing. DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. It's a strategy of investing over time and buying in the market over time and allowing the buy-in price to average out over time too. That means if the price is low or lower, yeah, we're buying. The price is low. If the price is higher, well, that's fine too. We're buying too. The price is going to average out over time, and we're betting in the long run too. So this is taking timing and emotion and all the stress that comes with trying to time the market out of our investing and simplifying our strategy to always be investing and letting our buy-in price average out over time, buying when it's low and buying when it's high. Knowing that in the long run, society and capitalism will probably prevail, and with it, the economy will grow. So we're betting on that, which takes me to my fourth tip, buy and hold. My fourth tip for beginner investors is to not try to get in and out of positions too much. Try to buy and hold for the long run, invest for the long run. It's so hard to time the market that we really shouldn't be investing with a mindset of I'm gonna get into a position and then get out of it in a year or two. That's more like trading, and we're talking about investing. I'll make a video that goes into the main differences of trading and investing another time, but in this video and in this tip, I want to talk about investing with a long-term mindset, with a buy and hold mindset, with the idea of I'm gonna build my wealth and continuously build it without really thinking of selling my positions unless two things happen. Either my positions appreciate so much that my portfolio is now unbalanced that it makes sense for me to, shave that position off a little bit, lock in some profits and pull in some cash for just cash or maybe for some other investments, or unless you've changed your optimism on the stock or fund. Those are really the only two reasons that you should look to sell a position with a buy and hold strategy. Definitely check out my video on a realistic plan and path to $1 million in 15 years via investing $500 a month with 30% ROI to show you how buy and hold and long-term investing can actually build your wealth quite quickly, and in the long run down the road you're going to be able to build that wealth even quicker, and it's going to just snowball. And it's definitely realistic to be able to build wealth and invest money and build a 1 million plus portfolio in 15-20 years or in your lifetime. So definitely check out that video. And for my final tip, my final fifth tip is action. Take action. A lot of beginner investors or investors who want to be more active in their investing don't take action out of fear, or they don't have the education that they want, or they don't have the knowledge. Take the action it takes to educate yourself about investing, about building your wealth. Take action to research the companies and industries that you're interested in investing in. Take action to invest often, always be investing, and take action to be more active in building your wealth and building your portfolio. Those are the main tips that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button for YouTube's algorithm. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. I'm gonna wrap this one up, so I'm gonna wish you a good day, a good night, and I will see you next time. Alright, cheers.